Welcome to the third printwand video lesson, the correct use of color. Previously, we learned about how to embed our artwork into Illustrator. And now we're trying to ensure the correct use of color in our files, whether that be using Pantone, also known as PMS colors, or a four-color process made up of the inks cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Either way, our goal should be to use one or the other and not both. So here we are in Illustrator. We have our file open, and we can see that we have two seemingly identical pieces of artwork here. When we lay one on top of the other, we can see that there doesn't seem to be any difference between the two. So let's head up to our menu bar. We're going to go over to Window, then head down to Swatches. We can notice that this opens up the Swatches color palette. Now, if you notice the button in the upper right-hand corner of the Swatches palette, let's go ahead and select that. And we're going to want to move down here to where it says Large List View and select that. Let's grab the bottom corner of our palette so that we can see a little bit more of the colors that we have here. So when we select each piece of our artwork, let's notice how the color changes in the swatch palette. We can see how easy it would be for the wrong type of art to be selected, for the wrong color to be used. Let's double click on one of these swatches here to see exactly what's going on in the swatch itself. We can see that this one here is a PMS color. This means that it's one color when it's printed. It only is going to use one ink. So let's close this and we'll take a look at our next piece of art. And we'll notice here that this one is made of a four-color process. It uses four inks: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So this is just one more thing to keep in mind when we're setting up our documents. It's not that one way is right and one is wrong. It's just one more thing to be aware of with our artwork. As you can see, it'd be easy for the colors to be mistaken for each other. Whatever process that we've indicated to our printers, whether that be a PMS color or four color, that's how our document needs to be set up. So, in conjunction with that, another habit to get into would always be trying to send original files to our printers or those people handling our documents. In this case, we're dealing with Illustrator. That way, it makes it easier for them if they have to make any changes at some point in the process. They can just go into the document, make their changes, and they have everything they need right there. So this is going to finish our lesson on the correct use of color in our Illustrator files. Up next, we're going to discuss how to achieve a multicolor look when we're using a one-color document. Make sure to check back often to Printwand for more video lessons as well as other articles to help you with your marketing and promotional needs.